All right, guys, we're doing Peter Allen, I Still Call Australia Home. Great song. It's the 51st hard request on the 2018 list. And this will be a lot of fun. Really catchy tune. I've been to cities that never close down, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. The part 1 lesson we're about to do, but the lessons for the whole thing are all on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I've been doing this for 12 years online. Over 30 years I've been a teacher, and it's great to put all of the wealth of knowledge and teaching experience that I've gained on my website. I even have beginner lessons on there if you are a complete beginner, or if you need a refresher course, or if you just need to get used to my method of playing by ear with letters, which is very effective for a lot of people. You can check those out. There's 79 beginner lessons. But anyway, let's get to this part 1 lesson here. And I guess mainly for Australians, but I love this song too, even though I've never been to Australia. Me and my children, I like to do Australian accents as best we can. It's a lot of fun. We've always done that, but love this song. And even if you're not from Australia, you know, it's a great song to play. So G, C, E on the right hand, and I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. Then I'm going to go to A, C, F, 1, 2, 5, and then C, E, G, the 1, 3, 5, I guess, or it doesn't really matter the fingering because it goes slow enough to where you can use different kind of various fingerings. Left hand, C, D, E octaves, 1, 2, 3. This is in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's either in 6/8 or 3/8, but it's leading up to that F chord, the key that we're in. C, F, A, left hand on an F. 1, 2, 3. So just kind of vamp for 3 counts. 1, na, 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 na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to go to a A7 chord. A, C sharp, E, G. I'll use 1, 2, 3, 5. Then watch that. On the next one, A, C sharp, F natural A. I don't think I did that. I think I played an E again, but it's F in there. A, C sharp, F, A. Then back to the first way. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now it's A, E, G, 1, 3, 5, left hand on a D, then A, D, F. Then we go to a G minor 7, G, B flat, D, F. Left hand on a G, 1, 2. We have a little blues thing to lead us in. G sharp, I'll use a 2 on that G sharp. A, C, F on the right hand, on the left hand, F. And 1, I've been to cities that never. So G, A, C sharp, E, left hand on an A. Right? So the singing starts right there. I've been to cities that never close down. Na, 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 na. So one more time, I guess, from the beginning. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Na, 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 na. I've been to cities that never. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that part 1. I'll take you through the whole thing, the whole song, webpianoteacher.com. I also did another. I have a great fan and patron who I've had nearly the beginning, who is from Australia, and he has a few Australian songs. And I did earlier today, I did The More I See You, also by Peter Allen. So if you're an Australian, great day for you to get some good piano lessons for those 2 great songs. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1 here, and we'll talk to you later.